Windows 11 version 25H2. New features. This is lesson 1 of 10. Mobile sidebar in the start menu. Alex's digital dance. Alex was a master juggler, not with balls or pins, but with screens. A phone in one hand, a mouse in the other. His eyes bounced back and forth like a frantic tennis match. Ping, a message. Click, a spreadsheet. It was a digital dance he performed all day. One Tuesday morning, things felt different. He clicked the familiar start button on his PC, ready to dive into his big project, a presentation about the secret lives of garden gnomes. But wait, what was this? Next to his usual list of apps, a new window had appeared. A mobile sidebar, it was called, and inside it were his things. Photos from his phone, messages from his grandma, even the funny cat video his friend just sent. Huh, Alex blinked. He looked at his phone, then back at his screen. It was like a magic mirror showing his phone's world right there on his PC. He didn't remember setting this up. Had the gnomes done it? Then it clicked. A little light bulb went ding above his head. He needed a photo of a gnome he'd taken yesterday for his presentation. Usually this meant finding the phone, emailing the photo to himself, downloading it, a whole ordeal. But now, there it was, the gnome photo sitting right in the mobile sidebar. He just had to drag it from the start menu and drop it straight into his presentation slide. It was so simple. A message popped up in the sidebar. Don't forget the red pointy hat, Grandma. Alex chuckled. He needed to add that detail to his notes. No need to pick up his phone. He just glanced at the message and kept typing. The rest of the morning was a breeze. He was a whirlwind of productivity, a maestro of multitasking. The gnome presentation was coming together beautifully. The juggling act was over. His phone and PC were no longer two separate worlds, but one happy connected kingdom, and Alex, the master juggler, had finally put down his props. Now he had more time for the important things, like figuring out if garden gnomes really do have secret lives.